afternoon. Really starting with the first phase of construction of rebuilding our greens to USDA spec. Really what we're trying to achieve here, this machine's called a culminator, and what we're doing is we're removing the top 2 inches of dead organic matter. You can kind of see it right in here. We're removing this piece of thatch in order to get to the straight sand. And that's really the good material that we're looking at. You can see that 12 inches of sand, if not more. We're going to reuse that to rebuild our approaches. So really our first phase here is to remove the existing thatch or green and expose that good sand layer that's accumulated since 1960. What they'll do next is they're going to come in with a big backhoe and pour all of that green out, and then we'll stockpile that material to rebuild the approaches. Obviously the greens construction, which is going to come in later videos, will take place, like I said, after this material is removed. We core out the green, and then we kind of rework the new area to commence with building the greens to USDA specifications.